All right. It is October 24th. October 25th. Friday. I'm just behind the peak of this trail. Gobblers. It's Gobblers. I don't remember the full name right now. But yeah. So this is the view behind me. And now I'm gonna complete the last few steps. Gobbler's Knob. It's over here on the sign. Look at that. So, that is Mount Rainier, aka Mount Tahoma. That's the native name. Because there's Tahoma Creek is what I walked by getting up here. You gotta be a little careful here because of the snow. The Olympics should be back there. You can see 4 mountains from here. The Olympics, mountain range, Mount Rainier, obviously. There's some snow melting right off the top of the fire lookout. 5,485 feet. But yeah, I'm gonna take some film photos of this and get some selfies with Mr. Tahoma. Thank you, clouds, for not being everywhere. I am gonna get rained on. Yeah, so once I figure out where everything is, I will come back.